Hello beautiful family members, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode I'll be showing us another way I enjoy my potato. Now I have my chicken wings. We have our chicken. We're going to pat the chicken dry to keep it moist, and then we're going to go ahead to marinate using our salt, our seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika. I got mine at a shopping mall. Visit any shopping mall and ask for paprika. They will probably have. Now we're going to marinate our chicken. When we're done marinating it, we'll set that aside for some minutes to marinate properly. We'll go ahead to cut our carrot using the cutter. This cutter gives my carrot a beautiful shape, but this is not compulsory. You can use any cutter of your choice. You can actually slice your carrot in whatever the shape you want. Now I'll go ahead to cut my bell pepper. We're going to cut the bell pepper not too small and not too big either. We'll cut the bell pepper into the desired size. You see, my kids can never get enough of this chicken and potato dish. It's super delicious. I can't wait for us to get into cooking it. Give this a try. You will love it. You will so love it. As soon as we are done slicing our bell pepper, we'll go ahead to slice our onion. We'll also slice it into small sizes. Now we have our potato. I'll be using the Irish potato. You can actually use sweet potato, but then I feel it's preferable we use the Irish potato. Now go ahead to slice it into smaller sizes. If your potato is small, there's no need of slicing it. Now we have our marinated meat. We'll go ahead to fry it. I'll add my cooking oil in my pan on a medium heat, and then add in my marinated chicken and fry it till golden brown. Remember, we didn't boil nor cook the chicken, so it's important we allow it to cook well. Allow it for 10 to 15 minutes to fry well. And when the chicken is golden brown, you will notice it's cooked. You will know when it's cooked. Then you go ahead to add in your water. You're adding some water to the frying meat. Stir it, and then go ahead to add in our potato. We're almost there. I think we're 50% done. For those in just Plateau States, you can actually relate to this potato because we have potato and most of the times you lack how to cook it. But this is one easy and delicious way to enjoy your potato. I added in some seasoning to our potato and chicken. Then I'll go ahead to give it a good stir. You can now cover it and allow it for some minutes. Now in another pan, I'll add in some cooking oil, add in our chopped onion, Give it a good stir and then add in our pepper. Yes, I enjoy pepper in my food. Then I'll go ahead to add in our carrots and then stir it well. We'll add in our bell pepper, the green and the red bell pepper, and then give it a good stir. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then let's check our potato and chicken. We'll go ahead to add in our vegetables to the boiling potato and chicken. Give it a good stir. Fresh potatoes are a great source of nutrients and health benefits. Make them a part of your meal and enjoy the lot of goodness they have to offer. Now in a bowl, I'll add in my corn flour, which is going to serve as our thickener. I'll add in some water and mix it well. Give it a good mix until it's smooth. Then we'll go ahead to add it to our potato and chicken. Should I call it sauce? But then this is potato and chicken dish. We'll be adding our corn flour to it. This is it. Add it and give it a good mix. You'll notice that the boiling sauce will immediately begin to turn thick. Not too thick. Why? Because I actually did not add much of the corn flour. Our dish is ready. Be sure to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up, share and subscribe.